Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing the gaming review of OnePlus 6. Firstly, here I'll be playing Tekken and the initial temperature is 32. Let's see how this game performs.
I walk my own path. Get ready for the next battle. Fight. I walk my own path. Get ready for the next battle. Fight. I walk my. Get ready for the next battle. Fight. KO. You lose. Get ready for the next battle. Fight. Good job. KO. You win. Get ready for the next battle. Fight. KO. You win.
As you can see, the gameplay has been really smooth and there are absolutely no sign of frame drops during the gameplay, and temperature raised to a maximum of 39, which is negligible amount of heat. Next I'll be playing Asphalt and the initial temperature is 35, and as you can see it's being played on the highest setting, and I'm turning down the music to avoid copyright strikes. So let's see how well this game performs. Again, the gameplay is smooth and there are no sign of frame drops even on the highest setting, and the temperature raised to a maximum of 36, so thermal performance of the OnePlus 6 is very impressive. To conclude, both the thermal performance and also the gaming performance is excellent on the OnePlus 6, and couple that with the high screen to body ratio and an impressive display makes gaming on the OnePlus 6 a very enjoyable experience. But that said, there's just one minor issue with the placement of the speaker. I'm not sure whether you noticed during the gameplay, there was a moment where the speaker is blocked and so is the sound. Just pay attention to this clip. Again, this might be a minor issue for some, but it's worth mentioning. Apart from that, the OnePlus 6 is a beast in terms of gaming performance. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.